Here's the post-market summary for India's stock markets today, Friday, September 5, 2025. Sensex closed almost flat, slightly lower by about 7.25 points, settling at 80,710.76. Nifty 50 also ended nearly unchanged, inching up 6.70 points, 0.03%, to 24,741.00. The day began with a sharp 900-point intraday jump in the Sensex due to optimism surrounding a major overhaul of GST rates. However, much of that rally evaporated later as investors booked profits. Auto and metals outperformed, buoyed by expectations of GST reductions for vehicles and daily use goods. IT and FMCG sectors lagged, tracking caution around U.S. economic outlook and consumption demand. According to one report, auto stocks gained till day 1%, while IT and consumer stocks declined, slightly dragging down the indices. Small and mid-cap indices, however, posted modest gains of around 0.3% each. Volatility persisted throughout, with markets trapped in a tight trading range between 24,500 and 25,000, a sign of cautious investor sentiment. Let me know if you'd like a deeper breakdown, like top gainers, losers, trading volumes, or international cues impacting today's market.